Welcome to Manatal. Our advanced reports feature unlocks powerful insights by transforming your recruitment data into actionable intelligence. Whether you're using our predefined reports, complete with dynamic tables and visualizations, or building your own custom reports through our intuitive builder tool, you'll have the tools to make informed, data-driven decisions with ease. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating and managing your advanced reports. Before we dive in, please ensure that the Reports feature is enabled in your account. Keep in mind that access to advanced reports varies by plan. Enterprise Plus users enjoy full functionality with live data, while other users have access to demo data only. Additionally, only admin users or those with specific permissions can access this feature. Let's get started. If you're on the Enterprise Plus plan, simply click on Reports in the side menu to open the Advanced Reports page. For non-Enterprise Plus users, follow the same steps. Once you're on the Reports page, click the Try Now button in the banner at the top to explore the Advanced Reports feature with demo data. On the Advanced Reports page, your dashboards are displayed on the left, and the reports within the currently open dashboard appear on the right. Let's first explore what dashboards and reports are. A dashboard is a special view composed of multiple sections or cells where individual reports can be placed. A report is a single set of data presented as a chart, table, or metric. To create a new dashboard, click on the Create New Dashboard button at the bottom left of the page. A pop-up will prompt you to set up your dashboard. First, give your dashboard a name. Let's call this dashboard Hiring Performance, and then click Continue. Your new dashboard is now ready for customization. You can add reports, arrange them in different layouts, and tailor the dashboard to your specific needs. Creating multiple dashboards allows you to organize your recruitment data in ways that make sense for different aspects of your recruitment process or for different team members. There are two ways to add reports to a dashboard. Select from a library or create a custom report. Let's add a pre-existing report by clicking on Select from Library in an empty cell. You'll see the Reports library. Choose the report you want to add to the dashboard, and then click Add to Dashboard. Add a few more reports to the dashboard before moving on to the next step. Now let's customize the layout of the dashboard to make it more visually appealing. You can add new rows or columns and resize them. To add a new row, scroll to the bottom of the dashboard and click the Add Row button. A new row will now appear, ready for you to add cells and reports. To add a cell within a row, hover over the empty space to the left of the first cell in the row, and the Add Cell to Row option will now illuminate. Click on it to add a new cell. You can also adjust the size of your cells and rows. Hover your cursor over the space between cells or rows. Notice how the cursor changes, indicating that resizing is possible. Simply drag to adjust the width of cells or the height of rows to your preference. And that's it for customizing the dashboard layout. You also have the option to filter your reports using either global or local filters. A global filter allows you to filter data across all reports in a dashboard at once, while a local filter applies to a specific report. To create a global filter, click on the Add Filter icon at the top of the dashboard. Then click on the New Dashboard Filter, which will open a new filter pop-up. Fill in the title, select the data sets, filter type, and the fields. Click Confirm and you'll see the filter set up in the pop-up. Click outside the pop-up to close it. The new global filter will now appear at the top left corner of the dashboard, allowing you to filter data across all reports within the dashboard using that filter. To create local filters, click on the three dots next to the report you want to filter. From the drop-down, select Add Local Filters and then click on New Local Filter. Similar to the global filter setup, fill in the title, select the filter type and fields, then click Confirm. You will see the filter setup. Click outside the pop-up to close it. A small filter icon will appear on the report. You also have the option to reset your dashboard to its default state. To do this, locate the Reset button in the top right corner and click on it to confirm the reset. This will also apply any updates made by the Manatal team to the default dashboard and report library. As mentioned earlier, there are two ways to add reports to a dashboard. Now let's explore the second method, adding a custom report. To start, you'll need to create the report. You can do this by accessing the custom report builder either from an empty cell on the dashboard or through the reports library. Let's create one using an empty cell. Click on plus Create New Report in an empty cell. This will take you to the report builder. To determine which report you need, start by understanding the data you want to aggregate and how many dimensions you plan to include. For a clearer understanding of the available data and dimensions, please review the data schema provided in our documentation. If you're unsure which report type to start with, it is recommended to begin with a column chart and then make adjustments as needed. In this example, let's build a report showing the revenue generated over time. Start by selecting Revenues as the data set. Then choose the line chart in the View field, set the metric to Amount, and group the data by Accounted At. This setup will display the total revenue generated over time. Click Save to create the report. Once your custom report is built, you can edit the report by clicking on the three dots next to the report and selecting Edit from the drop-down. Make your desired changes in the report builder, and when you're done, click on Save. To view the report in full screen, add it to the library or delete it from the dashboard. Click on the three dots next to the report and select the desired action from the drop-down menu. You can also create and save custom reports directly in the Reports library by clicking on Select from Library in an empty cell and then clicking on Create New Report. Once you are done with the report setup, click on Add to Library. You will then see the new report in the library. To edit or delete the custom report in the library, click the three dots next to the report and select the desired action from the drop-down menu. Once you are done, close the library pop-up. Manatal allows you to export both individual reports and entire dashboards. To export a report, click on the three dots next to the report you want to download. Then select the Download option from the drop-down menu. You'll have three export options: Full Dataset, downloads up to 10,000 rows of the underlying data; View Dataset, downloads the data visible in the current view; or View as PNG, which downloads the report as an image. For this example, let's select the full dataset and click Download. To export an entire dashboard, locate the download icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on this icon, choose your preferred orientation, either portrait or landscape, and then click Download. And that wraps up our explainer video on creating and managing advanced reports in Manatal. Be sure to check out our other guides to fully leverage the platform's features.